Hello, and welcome to Writing 115. I am Beth Aidlott. I'm your instructor for this term, and we'll get to know each other pretty well, I promise you. One thing I love about Writing 115, I've been teaching this for a long time, is it introduces you to college composition, as it says. It prepares you. Any writing assignment you get in any college class, you'll be ready for it, whether the college is here at Lane or any college anywhere. Teacher hands you an assignment, you'll be able to do it. We'll be handling writing all sorts of different lengths, all sorts of different kinds, and I'll help you. By the end of the course, you'll be ready for anything that comes your way. Now, lots of information here in the introductory material. Wander through it before school starts and figure out what you're in for. And it's always here for you to look at if you have questions later on. One thing I want to particularly call your attention to is the schedule of assignments right here. I will open the class week by week online because the assignments build on each other. I want to make sure that you've written one assignment and get feedback from me before you begin the next one. But this will give you an idea if you want to look at your calendar to see what we have coming. Assignments are only due Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. I think that keeps my schedule straight. Wednesday, Friday, Sunday of each week, you've got something due. We have forum postings on Wednesdays and Fridays and usually a written assignment on Sundays. But this way you will get to see exactly what you've got coming. You see we've got lots of different kinds of writing. No textbooks for this course. You're welcome. We will be reading things from articles from the New York Times. You get a free subscription through the library the first week. I'll ask you to do that. I'll give you plenty of information on how to do that. But I'll let you, for the most part, pick your readings. If you don't like one article, hey, read something else. You can read sports, you can read cooking, you can read fashion, you can use news. Stay away from politics if you want to, or maybe you're a political junkie. Whatever suits your fancy. I'm happy to be here. I will promise you that I will work as hard as I can to get you to go through this course successfully. I will be available by phone, by Zoom, by email, any way that fits your schedule. And in return, I ask you to promise that if you get confused or you need any help, please get in touch with me as soon as possible. I will be glad to help you. I would like to make everybody finish strong in this course. All for now. You will hear a lot from me. Bye.